Hi everyone, my name is Chris Faust and I'm a senior developer at qrpath. Wanted to quickly show you today how you can create a free QR code using our QR code generator. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by going to qrpath.com. And once we're at the qrpath website, we can simply create a free QR code. So what you're going to see when we get to the free QR code section is a just quick and easy generator. You can choose the encoding that you want for your QR code, you can choose the size, and then you can also choose the correction level here. Correction level is going to be something that the more error correction that you put into the QR code, the better. It's in case you want to put in some kind of graphic like a logo or anything like that that you want to put into the QR code later on. Okay, so as you can see, then the next step is going to be just choosing what we want to do with our QR code. So we have a lot of different options here. First one being text, sample text message. Okay, so we can go ahead and do this. It's going to tell us what our character number is. We can generate our QR code, and we're going to preview it right down here. We're also going to be given the URL to it. We can download the image. We can share it with Facebook and Twitter, which I highly encourage you do. So that just helps us out a lot to spread the word about QR codes. You can do your email if you want. You can even put in a subject and even a quick message so everything is highlighted. So if I was going to put in my email address, chris@qrpath.com, I want to put a subject in there saying, message coming from QR code. Then I can put in there message, just a default message from somebody. I can generate this QR code. When they scan it, this is what's going to pop up in their email for them to send out. Telephone number. If I were to put in a telephone number right here, it would just dial the number as soon as you scan the QR code. URL is going to be your website. We always suggest putting a mobile website instead of a desktop website because of bandwidth and flash and everything. It doesn't work very well on mobile devices. The other thing that you can do with qrpath is create a mobile site. So if you don't have a mobile site, please check out our mobile page. You can go to About and our mobile website builder right here. And then just following along here, vCards and meCards. A vCard is just a more enhanced version of the meCard. meCards are less. They have first name, last name. They obviously have your information, but as you can see, when we have vCard in here, we have more information put in. You can do an SMS, so we can put our short code number in here. So let's say we wanted to text the message, sweet tea to 2468. Well, if we wanted to text that information, instead of having somebody text the information to the short code, we can type in the short code here and then put the message here. Generate the QR code, and when somebody scans that QR code, it's already done for them. All they have to click is send in order to get that message out. Location, just type in your address or your latitude, longitude, and generate your QR code. This is good for people who want to give map directions. You want to put a QR code in an ad, and then the map direction is going to pop up when they scan it, and their phone's going to direct them to your retail location. You can do a bookmark. Bookmark for your actual web page. If you want people to actually bookmark it into their phone and save it, you can do that. The other thing is going to be Wi-Fi. Hugely popular for coffee shops, restaurants. You want to give your all of your wireless information to people who scan the QR code. You can put these QR codes on tabletops, put them on cups. When people scan them, they're going to get the Wi-Fi information. That way people can't sit out in your parking lot and use your Wi-Fi. They actually have to be in the restaurant, scan the QR code, and be able to use the Wi-Fi. So that's how you generate a free QR code. and hopefully I've answered all your questions here. But if you want to learn more about QR codes and mobile websites, go to qrpath.com. We also have a whole list of different things. We have a forum, we have tutorials, we also have some free webinars that you can do. We have a blog that just has a ton of information on it, so please check us out, qrpath.com. Thanks so much.